Hi there my love, this is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today another sweet recipe because that's how I'm feeling lately. Very sweet. More so than usual. So we're going to make a sweet in the shape of pastry. We're going to make a gluten-free. 2 ingredients. Kind of ish, because you yell at me when I say it's 2 ingredients, and if I add a pinch of salt, the other ingredients are optional. Oh my god. But calm down, relax. It is super easy nonetheless, all right? It's I'm taking a long time to say the name, okay, I'm sorry. It's a cinnamon roll. It's an oatmeal and cinnamon roll. So easy to make. So easy, you are going to be blown away. We're going to start by mashing bananas. Friendly reminder, all the description and the quantities are going to be in the description under the video. And then we add oatmeal flour, baking powder, now you lightly dust a surface with flour or the oatmeal flour, and now we're going to stretch the dough, making a rectangle. We're going to melt some vegan butter. Now we're going to brush the dough with the melted butter. And we're going to dust it with a cinnamon powder, of course, and some brown sugar. It can be actually any type of sugar, the type of sugar you want, okay? But I think that brown sugar adds more depth and it adds more flavor to it, and a little bit more nutrition as well. Place them in an oil dish and put it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to add the icing because I think it deserves it. It deserves it. We're going to add some plant-based milk to powdered sugar. You can add some cinnamon as well and just put it on top and ready. I got mustard. I got mustard. And it's alright. So, how about my recipe? Amazing, isn't it? You guys are going to love it. It is so good. It's so cozy, and especially now we're approaching the colder days, and it's so easy to make. Kids love it, and it's so nutritious and gluten-free. How about that? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. I deserve it. We deserve to grow this channel because this is super vegan comfort food, right? And we need comfort food. There are days that only comfort food will do, right? So for this reason I'm here. And don't forget, like I said before, the recipe is going to be on our website over here, and as well as in the description box under the video. Just expand the description and then you see all the measurements and everything. And on my website is going to be a printable recipe. So I was gonna say something else important. Subscribe also to my other social medias, which are Instagram and Facebook, okay? Also over here. And I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye-bye.